Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all 4 easy stuffed pizza recipes. Let's begin and learn how to make 4 different stuffed pizzas. Pizza pie. How it looks delicious and tempting. For that we require 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon olive oil and half cup of lukewarm water. So first in the mixing bowl I will take the sugar. To it I will add the lukewarm water and give it a quick whisk. Then I will add the active dry yeast and keep it for proving for up to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I will add the all-purpose flour, salt and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Knead the dough properly, add water if required and then add the remaining olive oil. Knead it properly for up to 10 minutes and then keep it aside. Now for the toppings we require the onions sorted and seasoned with black pepper and salt. We require the capsicum, tomatoes, crushed garlic, eggless mayonnaise, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, cheese spread, boiled sweet corn, pasta mix, chili flakes and basil. So after 1 hour the dough has doubled in size as you can see. So I'll remove the cling wrap or the lid and then knead it for up to 5 minutes. Now dust some flour onto a plain surface and then divide the dough into 3/4 and 1/4 parts like this. Now I'm going to roll out the 3/4 part and then put it into the baking dish which is greased with oil and dusted with flour. Then apply the cheese spread and mayonnaise and add the crushed garlic. Then apply the pizza sauce onto it. Then put the toppings, the onions, then the capsicum, tomatoes and boiled sweet corn. Then add the herbs, be generous and then add the grated mozzarella cheese. Now roll out the 1/4 part and then cover the pizza with it and then prick it with the fork. Then apply some pizza sauce and grated mozzarella cheese. Then add some more herbs and then grease the pizza with the olive oil, the sides, and bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the cheese has melted properly. So this is how our pizza pie is ready. Veg calzones. So for the veg calzones we require maida 1 cup, 1 cup wheat flour, water 3/4 cup, oil 2 tablespoon, yeast 2 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon and salt. So in the mixing bowl first I will take 1 cup maida and 1 cup wheat flour. Make a well like. To it I will add sugar half teaspoon, yeast, active dry yeast 2 teaspoon and salt 1 teaspoon. To it I will add olive oil 2 tablespoon. Mix it well and then add lukewarm water. This is 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. Knead a dough. Add some more olive oil and knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then grease the bowl with olive oil and then cover the dough. Let it rest for 1 hour. Then for the stuffing we require capsicum, onion, red capsicum and yellow capsicum, oregano, pizza sauce, chili flakes, salt and oil. So now the dough is ready after 1 hour. So I'll just divide it into 2 equal parts. Dust some more wheat flour on the plain surface and then start rolling it. Roll it nicely and a little thick. Then apply the pizza sauce readily available in the market and then start putting the vegetables. You may add the vegetables as per your choice. So onions, red, yellow and green capsicum all are sliced. Some salt on the top, oregano and chili flakes. Then cover it nicely like this, seal it properly. You may use a fork if you want to or fold it like this, the way I am doing it. Apply some more oil on the top and then sprinkle some oregano. This is optional, but applying oil is important. Just slit it with a knife like this and then sprinkle the oregano. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. So it's now baked after 20 minutes. I'll apply some more oil on the top and it's ready. Veg stuffed pizza. For the pizza dough, we require 1 cup refined flour, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, basil, 3 tablespoon olive oil, salt. In a mixing bowl, large mixing bowl, I'm going to take 1 cup refined flour, make a well like, then add the sugar and active dry yeast. Then about half teaspoon of salt or 1/4 teaspoon will do it. Basil 1 teaspoon, 3 tablespoon olive oil. Then mix it well and then add water. Now you may require about 3/4 to 1 cup of lukewarm water depending on the quality of the flour that you are using. I required about 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. We want a little soft dough. So now keep kneading it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll add some flour and keep kneading it. Then I will add some olive oil, about 1 teaspoon, and then knead again. Again some flour. This is refined flour. Again knead it. Then grease the bowl with olive oil and then cover it with the cling wrap. Set it aside for about 1 to 2 hours or till the dough doubles in size. So after 2 hours, the dough is ready, doubled in size. I will remove the cling wrap now and the dough is ready. Okay, wow. Perfect bready texture. Now I will dust some flour again and then knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect. And add again some olive oil, about half teaspoon. Knead it again. This is very important and it's done. Now for the pizza we require the dough that we have prepared right now. It's ready. Then for the dusting we require maida, olive oil. For the stuffing we require tomatoes de-seeded and diced, capsicum, boiled sweet corn, onions. Now to make the onions, first I am going to heat a fry pan. Add oil to it. This is normal vegetable oil, about 1 teaspoon, and then add the diced onions. On high flame, mix them, let them become translucent. Then add some salt, very little, just for a taste, basil, about half teaspoon, chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon, garlic powder as per taste, and oregano, half teaspoon again. Then I'm also going to add garlic to it, finely chopped garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, and mix it well. Let it cook. I'll toss it a little and it's done. I'll switch off the flame and let them come at the room temperature. So they are ready now. Then blanched spinach, jalapenos, olives, black, mayonnaise, mozzarella cheese, pasta sauce, garlic powder, chili flakes, basil, dried, and oregano. So this is all that we require. Now on the plain surface, first I will dust some flour, that is the refined flour, and then knead the dough again for about 2 minutes. Now you may make medium sized balls like this and make about 3 to 4 pizzas out of it, but I'm not going to do that. I will divide the dough into 2 equal parts like this. Yeah, perfect. Then knead it properly, give it a round shape. Then I will dust some more flour, again refined flour. and then start rolling it. We want a rectangular shape but evenly rolled out from all the sides. So I will turn it now and roll it here again, not disturbing the shape. So rectangular shape pizza, perfectly rolled. Okay. Now to this I will spread the garlic mayonnaise. I am using garlic mayonnaise. You may use normal eggless mayonnaise if you want to. So garlic mayonnaise about 1 to 2 teaspoon roughly. It is as per your choice. Then pasta sauce, readily available in the market. You may use homemade, about 1 to 2 teaspoon. Then I will grate some mozzarella cheese as per like. Grate it nicely. You may also crumble the cheese if you want to, but I prefer grating it. Then I will spread the blanched spinach or palak. Blanched and chopped spinach. Then onions that we have prepared right now. So they are cooked actually. Tomatoes, these are de-seeded and diced tomatoes. Sweet corn, these are boiled sweet corn or American corn. And then capsicum, you may use red, yellow, green, olives, green or black, and jalapenos. Perfect. Now again I will grate some more mozzarella cheese for the cheese burst. Okay. Then I'll top it with some dried basil, garlic powder, chili flakes and dried oregano. Now cut this diagonally like this. It's kind of a fish bone thing, I don't know properly because I am a pure vegetarian, but this is how it is done. Then seal it from the top like this and then seal these cut pieces also. Make sure that they are overlapping each other the way I am doing it. Perfect. Then seal this from the downside also. Now to seal it perfectly, I am going to just apply some water and seal it nicely. Perfect. Now in a baking dish, I will take some olive oil and grease it with the help of the brush. Okay. Then I will dust some maida onto it. Then I will remove the excess of it. Then put my pizza. So I have made one more pizza like this, as you can see. They are ready. Now what I will do is just grease it with some more olive oil on the top so that it becomes nice brown, golden brown in color, and top it with some basil. This is totally optional. Okay. Now I will preheat my oven. This is a convection actually at 220 degrees Celsius. Let it preheat. Once it's preheated, as you can see, I will put my baking dish. The pizzas will go inside. These are the stuffed pizzas. Okay. Make sure it's kept properly. And then we are going to bake it for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. You may require 14 minutes also, but not more than that. And let it cook nicely. It's done now. After 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the pizzas. They are looking absolutely stunning and delicious. Now to this I am going to apply more olive oil so that they retain their softness. And this is how our veg stuffed pizzas are ready. Pizza cups. You're all gonna love this. For the pizza cups we require pizza dough, oregano, boiled sweet corn, finely chopped paneer, finely chopped yellow capsicum, finely chopped onions, chili flakes, dried basil, cheddar and mozzarella cheese, finely chopped red capsicum, finely chopped jalapenos, mayonnaise and tomato sauce. For the pizza dough, I'll take 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. To it I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar and then add 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Once the yeast starts working, in about 2 minutes, I will add maida to it, or refined flour, 1 cup. To this I will add salt, 1 teaspoon, and add olive oil to it, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and start kneading the dough. We want a soft and firm dough, just like we need for our normal pizzas. So we want to add water accordingly. We'll require about half to 3/4 cup of water depending on the maida. So be careful while adding water, add it little by little and knead the dough properly. To this I will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You may use normal vegetable oil, and knead it for about 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes nice soft in the texture. Add some maida if required for the perfect texture of the dough, and keep kneading it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the texture is perfect. To this I will add some more oil and kind of massage the dough with the oil. So that it will double in size, properly double in size. Keep it for 4 to 5 hours. Till then, we'll make the stuffing. First, I will take finely chopped paneer, 1/4 cup. To it, I will add finely chopped onions, 1/4 cup. Add finely chopped red capsicum, finely chopped yellow capsicum, both 1/4 cup. Add boiled sweet corn as per like. Here I am adding 1/4 cup and mix it well. You may add the vegetables of your choice, like you may add some mushrooms if you want to, and then add finely chopped jalapenos, half teaspoon or as per like, and then add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of dried oregano. Add dried basil, 1 teaspoon, and add red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon or as per like, and mix it well. Perfect. To this, I will add eggless mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon, and add tomato ketchup. You may use sauce, 1 tablespoon, and combine everything well. Make sure the vegetables are nicely coated into the mayonnaise and the tomato sauce. If not, you may add some more. But I think it's perfect right now. Yes. Now the dough has doubled in size. Knead it properly again for about 1 minute. And then we are going to make lemon-sized balls. Roll it properly and then flatten it. Once it's nice flattened, we are going to transfer this into a muffin tray so that it will get the shape of the cup. Perfect. And then put the cheese mixture into it. Here I am using mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, readily available in the market. The mixture of both the cheeses. And then put the stuffing into it. It's a pizza cup, so loads of cheeses is important. So I'm going to add some more cheese onto it. Perfect. We are going to get 6 pizza cups out of this mixture. So repeat the same procedure for all the remaining 5 cups. You may add cherry tomatoes on the top of the cheese. So as the final layer, if you want to. It's completely optional. And then I will sprinkle some dried basil onto it. So all the cups are now ready. I'll make the final one now. You may use normal processed cheese if you want to, but here I prefer using mozzarella and cheddar cheese. We are going to bake this and we want it to be nice golden brown. So I'm going to brush the cups with butter. You may brush it with olive oil or normal vegetable oil. We're going to brush the dough, the sides of the cup as you can see, and bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is completely melted and the cup is completely cooked. The time will depend on the ovens, from 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, they are cooking well. So after 20 minutes, our pizza cups are ready. Serve them immediately. So this is how our 4 different stuffed pizzas are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.